These scribbles on this page dry like raisins in the sunshine, like unrequited days or the pain from my mom's eyes. Dumb enough to hope and pray and young enough to know we're unwise. Rather question everything than be callow in a gunfight.
The king is dead, the earth is flat. You thought it's bad, it's worse than that. The lies you told, you made your bed. Lying inside the enclosure. If I was you, wouldn't get closer. If I was you, I would be nice though. If I was you, I would be nice though. Cause you got the people on flight, man. Never been any connection. But one day your bubble will burst. And you gotta run for the exits. Yeah, run around, round world like KFC chickens all headless. Or refugees running for refuge. And then you'll find out where the edge is. Deck of cards, it's all aces. Me and them different places. When they fall off the faces, then they might know what space is. Deck of cards, it's all aces. Me and them different places. When they fall off the faces, then they might know what space is.
Conspiracy, they conspire as we look at screens but not higher. Like everything but each other. Full of people of a dreams, yeah, that's dire. I'm not inspired, I'm fucking tired. Trying to stay hungry while people are dying of hunger, they're dying to live. Shine in a bright light into an abyss, yeah. Will it be missed there? Can you see this here? This area take form of a lit flare. Gather round, let's find connection and love. Elections are fucked, elected, corrupt, and left enterprising incentives for everyone but us. How you gonna do us like that? You slags, trying to follow chemtrails back to the lab that they came from. Trying to work out the circumference of a flat earth so we can go and make one, climb up on it, then take off these rose tints. My patience though is so thin, like the ozone now I'm roasting. It's cool though, yeah, I'll stay hoping for this so